Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This is the Ichimoku cloud strategy, very simple to use, by ChatGPT of course. We're going to try it out to see if it really is worth our time. So this is simple, it's just a simple rule. It's called the Ichimoku breakout strategy. All right, you simply wait for the cloud to break out. Simply wait for the cloud to break out. You simply wait for the price to break out of the cloud, and you trade you trade in whichever direction price is broken out of. So let's get started. I'm gonna go a little bit back so we can have a good timeline to run this. All right, let's start. I feel like let's start here. All right, so as you can see, we've got Ichimoku cloud. I'm not so sure what the indicators are. Take those ones out. Cool. So we have just a cloud. So now we've got just a cloud, and you can see whenever our Ichimoku cloud breaks either up or down, we take a sell or a buy. All right. So in this case, our Ichimoku cloud has broken below. Price has broken up below our Ichimoku cloud right here. So we're gonna take a sell. Just gonna put a stop loss on it over here, over the highs. Target the lows. That was a nice trade. And no, I am not cherry picking. This is literally the first trade that we took. That was a nice winning trade. So we're gonna keep going. As you can see, price has broken over the Ichimoku cloud again. Stop loss underneath this low, and we're gonna take a nice buy. You can see. There we go. Price, just gonna delete that now. See, price is broken below Ichimoku cloud. That was a humble loss there. Let's keep going, and you need to be mindful of the hours you're trading. So that's a humble loss. There's very low volume, you can see. So we're gonna wait for the volume to pick up. As you can see, the volume did pick up. We have a nice sell here. Gonna drop. As you can see, that was a nice sell. Ichimoku cloud doing the most. There we go. And yeah, let's keep going. Ichimoku cloud breaks out of the price, breaks out of our Ichimoku cloud. That's another buy. As you can see, the indicator does work, but may not work for everyone. In my opinion, this indicator is good and is profitable, but you need to really know how to use it, backtest it, and see how it works for you. All right. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.